How to find Twitter username and password and recover it. In this video, we are going to learn how we can do it. So let's just dive right into the video. So for that, you can open up your Twitter first. You can go ahead and download your Twitter if you haven't, and you can just log in into your account. So what you need to do next is at the top left corner of your screen, you should be finding your profile. You can tap on it to open up this menu. Once you open up this menu, in the bottom, you should be finding option called Settings and Support. You can tap on it to drop this down and you will be getting Settings and Privacy and Help Center. So all you need to do is tap on this first option that says Settings and Privacy, and this menu appears from your settings. So what you need to do next is you can go to the first option that says Your Account. When you head over to Your Account, you should be finding account information and change your password. So for now, if you want to change your username, you can head over to the first option that says username. You can account information, and when you go over there, you should be finding the option username. You can tap on it to change your username into something new. After that, tap on done to apply the changes. Along with that, if you want to change your password, you can go to this option that says change your password right below the username, and when you head over there, you should be finding current password, new password, and confirm password. So if you want to change your password, you can follow the steps and tap on this update password, and when you do that, your password and along with that your username should be changed. So for now, that is how you change your password and username on Twitter and find those steps. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.